Hello, friends! How are you doing today? Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here! Looks interesting. Giraffe. Elephant. Crocodile. That looks fantastic. Hey, come on! Honeybee. Monkey. An owl. Perfect. That was wonderful.
Let's do the next one. Hello, friends.
Now it's your time.
This is red, an orange color. I'm so proud of you.
See you guys.
Bye!
Wow! Look at this place. Awesome. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids.
Whoa! What's happening here?
Yes, we are going to learn fruits.
Let's go over there. This is an apple.
This is an orange.
This is watermelon.
This is cherry.
This is grape.
This is banana.
Strawberry.
Pineapple.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hey, look over here.
Amazing! Looks interesting.
Hello, friends.
What shall we do?
Well, do you think you could help today?
Okay, let's do this.
Let's go over there.
Perfect. Hey, bananas! Take a look.
Hello, friends.
Hello, kids.
Hey, look over here.
Looks interesting. This place looks so much fun.
Well, here we go.
What do you think?
First, I will show what we have.
That sounds good to me.
Let's play. Let's go over there.
Okay, let's do this. Ooh. Yahoo! Perfect.
This is crocodile. Let's do the next one.
This is an elephant.
Look here. This is giraffe. Awesome. Let's go for the next.
This is lion.
This is monkey.
This is rabbit.
This is hippopotamus.
This is zebra. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hello, friends. Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. Rainbow colors. Who is that? Hey, come on! What's up? What are we going to learn today? Oh, wow! Insects. Yes, we are going to learn insects. This is fly. Let's go for the next. This is butterfly. Let's do the next one. This is
Mantis.
Let's go for the next. This is
Snail.
Let's go for the next. This is caterpillar. Let's go for the next. This is scorpion. Let's go for the next. This is spider. This is an ant. This is worm. This is dragonfly. This is ladybug. This is honeybee. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. See you guys next with new exciting things. Hello, friends. This is camel. Let's go over there. Do you think you could help today? Perfect. Now we are going to learn alphabets.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Camel, I will see you next time. Bye! Hey, hello, kids.
What's happening here? Hey, hello kids, roll with me. They are going to be so much fun.
Okay,
Let's do this. Hey, bananas, do you know what animals are these?
I will show you how. Let's go.
You are genius. Let's go over there.
This is goat.
Let's do the next one. Do you know what animal this is? This is cow.
This is horse.
What do you think? This is dog.
This is rabbit.
This is pig.
This is cat. Yahoo!
Woohoo! That looks fantastic. See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hello, friends. Look over here. Oh, wow. Hey, watch out. Have a look here. Whoa. Let's go over there. Amazing looks interesting. Who wants to play? Let's go. Okay, let's do this. Let's play. Rectangle. Square. This place looks